Hello aspiring storytellers, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords, and today we're diving into the world of short story writing. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, these tips will help you craft a captivating tale in just a few minutes. So grab your pens and notebooks and let's get creative. Step 1. Start with a strong idea. Every great story begins with a strong idea. Take a moment to brainstorm concepts, themes, or scenarios that resonate with you. It could be a unique setting, a compelling character, or an intriguing plot twist. Let your imagination run wild. Step 2. Develop compelling characters. Now that you have your idea, focus on creating compelling characters. Give them distinct personalities, motivations, and conflicts. Readers connect with characters who feel real and relatable, even in a short story. Step 3. Establish setting and atmosphere. Setting and atmosphere set the tone for your story. Whether it's a bustling city, a mysterious forest, or a cozy cafe, immerse your readers in the world you've created. Use vivid descriptions to evoke emotions and create a memorable backdrop. Step 4. Build tension and conflict. Tension and conflict are the engines that drive any story. Introduce obstacles, dilemmas, or unexpected twists to keep your readers engaged. Even in a short story, a well-executed conflict can leave a lasting impact. Step 5. Show, don't tell. One of the golden rules of storytelling is show, don't tell. Instead of explicitly stating emotions or actions, paint a picture with your words. Let readers experience the story through the character's eyes, making it more immersive and engaging. Step 6. Craft a memorable ending. The ending is your chance to leave a lasting impression. It could be a surprising twist, a thought-provoking resolution, or a powerful moment of reflection. Make sure it resonates with the themes you've established throughout the story. Step 7. Edit and polish. Editing is where the magic happens. Review your story for clarity, coherence, and pacing. Trim unnecessary details, refine your language, and ensure that every word serves a purpose. A well-edited story shines. And there you have it, a quick guide to crafting a captivating short story. If you enjoyed this writing workshop, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what themes or prompts you'd like me to explore in future videos. Happy writing, and remember, your story is waiting to be told.